Hello guys, today I'll be doing a review on the Eureka Stylus Elite and I'll be going through its strengths and weaknesses and watch to the end to know whether or not this cordless stick vacuum is worth it or not. The Eureka Stylus Elite is a versatile cordless vacuum that offers a compelling combination of power and convenience. Its standout feature is the auto empty dust station which automatically transfers collected debris from the vacuum cleaners into a sealed bag in the charging block. This feature is a major pro for users who want to avoid the mess and exposure to dust and allergens. The vacuum also receives high marks for its anti-tangle brush roll, which effectively prevents hair from wrapping around it, making it an excellent choice for home with pets. Moving on, the vacuum is also praised for its lightweight and maneuverable design, and at only 6 pounds, it is easy to carry around and can lay completely flat to clean under low-lying furniture, which is a significant advantage. The battery life is generally considered good for its price point, offering up to 60 minutes of runtime on its lowest setting, which is enough for most average-sized homes. It also includes a variety of attachments for cleaning upholsteries, crevices, and other above floor surfaces, adding to its versatility and value. However, there are some limitations. While its suction is sufficient for hard floors and low pile carpets, some reviews note that it struggles with deep cleaning on high pile carpets. The reliance on a self-emptying station means that the user must periodically purchase and replace the dust bags, which is an additional recurring costs. Furthermore, while the vacuum is highly praised, some users report that it is not as sturdy as some higher-end competitors, and the battery life on the highest power setting is significantly shorter, making it less ideal for heavy-duty cleaning tasks. I hope this video helps and thank you for watching.